Imagine a country where medieval castles, salt mines, seaside resorts, and vibrant cities all exist in one compact, affordable, pierogi-filled paradise. Yep, I'm talking about Poland. In this ultimate guide, we're not just listing the usual suspects like Kraków or Warsaw. Don't worry, they're still on the list. We're taking you on a ride through 15 jaw-dropping places in Poland, from mountain peaks that'll steal your breath to lakes so beautiful you'll want to bottle the view. So grab your imaginary backpack, slap on some virtual sunscreen, and let's dive into Poland's most unforgettable destinations. Number 1. Kraków, the classic you can't skip. The city where every street feels like a movie set, royal castles, underground salt mines, and more pigeons than people. Trust us, Krakow's charm is dangerously addictive. Number 2. Zakopane, Poland's winter capital. If the mountains had a fashion show, Zakopane would strut the runway in wooden architecture and sheep cheese. Great for hiking, skiing, or just feeling majestic. Number 3. Wrocław, the city of dwarves and bridge. Yes, real dwarfs. Well, bronze statues, but still. Over 300 of them hiding across this fairy tale city filled with colorful buildings and student energy. Number 4. Białowieża Forest, Europe's last primeval jungle. No tigers here, but there are actual bison roaming free. This ancient forest on the Belarus border feels like time froze 10,000 years ago, in a good way. Number 5. Gdańsk, the Baltic beauty. Seaside vibes with historic spice. Walk the Motwawa River, check out the Neptune Fountain, and then hit the beach in nearby Sopot. Sunscreen not included. Number 6. Torun, city of gingerbread and Copernicus. Home of the guy who said Earth isn't the center of the universe, and the cookies that prove otherwise. Historic charm with just enough sweetness. Number 7. Bieszczady Mountains. Go where Wi-Fi can't find you. If you've ever wanted to disappear into nature legally, this is your spot. Rolling green hills, wild horses, and no Instagram distractions. Number 8. Łódź, the city. You're probably mispronouncing. Say it with us. Łódź. Once an industrial gray zone, now a creative hotspot full of street art, underground bars, and Poland's version of Hollywood. Number 9. Masurian Lake District, Poland's little Scandinavia. Over 2,000 lakes, endless kayaking, and the kind of sunsets that make you question every life choice that didn't involve moving here sooner. Number 10. Lublin, underrated medieval magic. If Game of Thrones and Eastern Europe had a baby, it might look like Lublin. Fortified gates, cobbled lanes, and ghost stories for days. Number 11. Malbork Castle, straight out of Middle Ages. The largest brick castle in the world. It's massive. It's dramatic. It's the kind of place where you half expect a dragon to swoop in mid-tour. Number 12. Poznan, where goats fight on the clock tower. No joke. Every day at noon, 2 mechanical goats butt heads above the town hall. Add great food and nightlife, and it's more than just a gimmick. Number 13. Tatra Mountains, nature's grand finale. Jaw-dropping, literally. With snow-capped peaks, alpine lakes, and trails for all levels, this is Poland's answer to the Alps, without the price tag. Number 14. Kazimierz Dolny, the artist's hideaway. Quaint, peaceful, and artsy to the bone. Painters love it, poets dream of it, and you'll want to stay longer than you planned. Number 15. Rzeszów, the surprising tech hub of the East. Wait, what? That's right. Beyond the old town charm lies one of Poland's fastest-growing tech cities. Think cobblestone streets with fiber optics. So, which one are you visiting first? Whether you're a city explorer, a mountain hiker, or a pierogi addict, Poland has something for every type of traveler. Subscribe now and join us for more travel tips, hidden gems, and no BS guides for life in Poland and beyond. And hey, let us know in the comments, what's your favorite Polish spot?